The moment mom told me this morning someone has taken down a big old dead tree in a nearby place, I'm on a mission to build an outdoor painting setup for myself, my outdoor studio. So she took me to the spot. On my way, I saw beautiful trees standing tall in the clear open sky. This is exactly where the inspiration comes from. Serene. We are so much into tech these days that we haven't even touched the ground with our bare feet, nor have we felt the nature that we always try to paint. As soon as we reached the place, I discovered we are late. Someone already took the bigger and better pieces few minutes ago, and this is all what we are left with. But still, somehow I managed to choose some good ones and head back home. The next morning, they have brought me what I've asked for. So grab your coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As you can see, we are somewhat done with this very basic setup where I can have a cup of tea and do a small sketch. I also set up a long table for my cooking channel, which you haven't visited yet. So click on the I button to get straight to my channel. Adding a small fountain and a plant really brought so much to the table. We also have a tiny pond with some fish in it just besides my setup. I guess it's time to put some icing on the cake. The things that I just cannot live without while painting. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I'll grab some me time from here, as I have already started working on something which I will show you in the next one. So stay tuned.